today I'm gonna play Build a Boat for Treasure because today I'm showing you guys a glitch to the end that's really easy, and I think quite a lot of people know this already. So I'm gonna see you guys soon. Wait. Okay, so never mind. So first you can use gold if you have, but if you don't have gold, you can use diamond. So let me find gold first. Okay, I'm gonna use gold. You can also use diamond if you want. Yeah, build a 3x3 platform first, and first you have to build a 3x3 platform. Okay, and now you have the use this thing and tilt it like this, and now we have to use, let me pause the video and find it. Use this kind of block that first you have to stand on there on the this weird item and put this thing on yourself and put another one, and now launch it. Wait, it's not working. Maybe I have to use diamond. It's not working. Why is it not working? You have to use a piece, and I have way too much health because like I'm a wrong member and I can get a lot of health, 300% more health. So I'm trying to use the old one that I saved because yeah, I'm sure this one's gonna work unless this is the use diamond instead of gold. Launch it. Yes, it's worked. It's working. Don't go too fast because you kind of like you can fly out of the world. It's quite easy to control, but I do not recommend using this glitch often. And when you guys reach here, just simply click these two and you can get the treasure chests. That's the simplest way and the easiest way to get the treasure chest, and you can get another gold block. So you have to use diamond there, but yeah. So you shouldn't use I recommend you guys not to use that so often, cause like you can it's kind of cheating, and there's not much fun anymore, and so I'm probably gonna stop using that too often. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it for. And guys, this video is quite short. Yeah, this video is quite short, and yeah, you guys can see the glitch. You can try it if you want, but don't. I recommend you guys just not to use it so often. If you really couldn't think of a way to beat it, you can use it, but that's kind of cheating, and I'm gonna not before I made this video, I kind of used this glitch a lot, but for now I think I won't use it and a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna stop using it. So stop using it a lot. I mean, whatever. Just, you know what I mean. So, bye guys. That's it for this video. And please like and subscribe. Bye guys.